Welcome to EDDIEV Garage and Trucking, and in today's video I am going to show you how to secure and hold these slabs of granite properly. So weight wise, each granite load that you do with these fully finished and polished granite slabs, each one is going to be different with the weight wise. Some days you're gonna have to run spread axle, some days you have to run tandem. In this case I'm 72,000 pounds. This load weighs roughly 38,000 pounds, and because a lot of the weight is not in the front but spread out, I have to run spread axle in this load in this case. But it's a two-stop load that I'm doing, so this middle piece is gonna go, and I should be able to run tandem once I unload this, because most of that weight is going to be gone and I can run tandem. And running into Michigan, you all know that it's a lot harder to do that with spread axle because of their weird Michigan U-turns and stuff. But anyways, you got to use a lot of edge protectors, a lot of edge protection. They wanted me to run straps like this around the granite slabs, so what I ended up doing is I put edge protectors there, and this one is sitting exactly like this, and this one is sitting like this. And that's how they look on this side. That's how it looks like on this one. And that's how it looks like on that one as well. Also, if you want to look, I also put edge protection on the bottom like this so that they don't touch as best as I could, because this granite slab can be kind of sharp and I don't want straps rubbing at all. So I'm running the whole length of strap wherever they can touch sharp. There is protection there. I did the same thing over here as well. They all got to be like super tight to where you barely can move them at all. Like they got to be tight. They got to be tight. Like this is tight. This ain't you know, moving anywhere. It's tight. Like you can play guitar with it. Now also over here I have ran wood on the top. If you look right there. And the reason why I've done it is so that when it runs, it kind of runs over. That way it don't rub against pieces of the granite slabs that may cut, because what ends up happening is you can't put edge protection underneath there because it's not loose, not tight enough to put an edge protection piece on there without it flying off, but it still can scratch or rip the strap under vibration. So that's why I decided to put the wood like that, so that it runs over certain pieces but still securely secures all the pieces down as well. And don't forget, you also want to twist all of your straps, especially the way they're sitting like that, because going down the road they will vibrate. And yes, you got to put edge protection on everything. I have it on every single strap. Anywhere where the strap can touch a sharp edge, I have edge protection on it. Also, whenever you're unloading these, do not ever completely unstrap these unless the forklift or crane or whatever's picking them is ready to lift them out, because if you do, what's going to end up happening is these things can fall over, like I seen a video a long time ago before, and shatter, and then you're liable for the load. Not canceled. Guys, I'm EDDIEV. 2004 turn right. Driving a temp in the 6 Series.